So this is the first app that we're going to be looking at. This is called Calendly. So now we have our scheduling, meeting availability, contact, workflow, integration, and app. If you come here, you will see that I have linked my Zoom account, my Google Meet, my Google Calendar here. So it's why I'm linking is because this is a calendaring app. You also have meetings here. So these are meeting apps. This is a meeting app, Google. This is Google Meet, and we have Microsoft Teams here. So now our Google Calendar is also to schedule. So now we're going to schedule a meeting. So what do? You come to create. So now there are different event type. There's one-on-one meeting, there's a group meeting, then there's round robin, collective, then there's also off meeting and meeting pool. So now we're going to pick one-on-one. So now the first thing you want to do is like give it a name. So let's say an interview with Ben. So how many minutes do you want this meeting? You want it to be an hour, then you set the time. So now you come here to make arrangements. What time will you be available for this meeting? So we're saying you're going to be available Monday from 9 o'clock to, let's say, that's the duration of the meeting. Now usually time zone, so I'm just going to leave it in West Africa time. Then we're going to come here. What day do you want to put this meeting? You've already specified Monday, so it will be 22nd. Then you apply. So come to apply to one event. Always now it shows your setting has been saved. So now you have to come here. There are more options here. Who is the host? That's me, since I'm the one that created it. So now you see interview with Ben, location. So now location is can either be a Zoom call, a phone call, in person. There are other options. Now this is Google Meet. It's already integrated. Microsoft Teams is not yet integrated. So now we're going to pick our Google Zoom. We can either pick Zoom since it's going to be an official meeting. So pick Zoom, and we pick Zoom because it shows professionalism. But we can also pick a phone call too, anything, so any one that you want to do. So now let your invite choose multiple meeting location. So now there are different things. So your invitee might decide that, oh, he wants to do a phone call, so you can just do a phone call. He will provide that this is a question, require invitee's number, provide a phone number to interview after they book. So now you have to put, I'm currently in Nigeria. So you can just quickly put any number that you want him to be reachable to you. So you come here, you provide the number. This is the number they will easily get to you. Then you create. Now you come to, this is the preview of how it looks. So 22nd has been booked for Mr. Ben's interview for 9 a.m. So you save change. So now this is event type. So you come here, you notice that offer time slots. So now there are different times. Mr. Ben maybe will not be available for Monday, and you can say, okay, the next time I'm going to be available is going to be next week Monday, the 29th of September. So you click, this is the other option that I can offer for him for next month or for October. So you have to click done, so it has been effected. So you come here to book the meeting. So now the contact, you have to have Mr. Ben's email address. So now let's just work with the email address that we have. This is how to add an email. Let me just show you how to add a contact. You put the name, you put the person's email, then time zone is optional, but for clarification, now let's say Mr. Ben is in Canada, so we're going to use Edmonton time. So this email already exists, so we're just going to put something different. But no, so I already have one here, so you can just come and use this particular email for him. So that there are questions that you could either ask on behalf. So now you can just say, will someone else be available for the meeting? So now you can just ask these questions. There are questions that you can quickly ask and you save it. So now you automatically book this meeting. So you have to select time. Ella, what? I'm doing something. What is it? I'm completing my task for tomorrow. So basically, you click on the person's name. Now I've saved his name as Flowealth, so this is the email I have available. So maybe you have a question, so you say, will someone else be available for the meeting if you are absent? So these are basic questions that you can always ask. So now the dates, this time, so what time have you given him? So this is the time we have booked it. So now you have to book the meeting. So now events booked, a notification will be sent. So now since I have access to that email address, we're going to quickly head over to that place to search for it. So now if you check it, this is how it looks when it comes to you. It shows this, the organizers, your email. Then there's an option for you to cancel the meeting or reschedule. So you can click on it, then you can reschedule, but there's an option for you to cancel or reschedule the meeting. So now when you come here, there's an option for you to actually reschedule the meeting or cancel the meeting. So now you click on cancel and it takes you to here, then it tells you to reschedule here. Then you click on cancel and it takes you here. You click on it, you cancel your login. Now while you're canceling your meeting, you give your reasons here, then you just say cancel event. So now it comes back here and it shows, oh, this meeting has been cancelled by the person, and it goes to your own email and you see, oh, so person cancelled this meeting. It goes to your email and shows you that, oh, this person cancelled this meeting on you. So now you can see client, hello Fortune said the event below has been cancelled by SEDI from, this is the email account, the reason for canceling. Now this is where the reason comes. So this is the end of the presentation for Calendly. Yeah, no. So the next thing we're meant to choose now, when they fill the form, where do you want to see it? So you want to actually see it in your Gmail. So you click the event. What do you want to do? You want to actually send them a mail. So this is the account that the mail will be coming from. So you continue. So now there are different things that you need to fill out. So now you just click this backslash. So now how do you get their emails? So when you create a form, you have to create form in mind that, okay, you're using this application, I'm using this tool. So now you're going to have to put a segment where it says email. So this is like, no need for you to start putting, oh, I'm sending this email to, let's say, Augustina at 123gmail.com. So all you have to do is go to the question where you asked for email, or you come to respondent email. So you go to the email. So you come here, CC, you can just pick backslash, you can pick you can always pick the respondent email once more. Then from, you just select the particular account that's linked to. Then the body, now in your body you can just say hello. Then you can do a black. So now what did the person, or what did they feel? So you just want to tell them, oh, thank you very much for your feedback, or we've gotten your response. So basically you're going to come here and fill, let's say the person, you start with the person's name, because you cannot just say hello. So you have to go to where they wrote their name, because like I said, you have to always have that in mind. So full name, the full name, that's their name. Then you can come back and say, thank you very much for your feedback. So now you can be like, okay, what is the feedback they gave? You can come back, another slash, where you write the feedback. Are you satisfied? Now you can see this. So now subject, what do you want to see? What do you want your subject to be about? You can always say feedback review or something else. So you have to check if everything is okay. You have your respondent email, you have your email there, reply to, from. For the names, you can always come here, click on slash and just put from. Okay, from. Why you cannot use from is because when I was creating this form, I did not put like my name there, so it's not going to work. So you can continue now. You can always put an attachment if you have like a logo. You can always do these variables, system variables. So you continue. So now what happens here is basically you can test what you have done. So you have to test it. So now it says, okay, it needs at least 1 cc. So you have to like go back to your configure and slash, we have to put email. So we'll have to test it again. And since when we're come to the email, so now it's going to send you a message that, oh, a message was sent, like a test run. Now we can test run it. So you can test run it again to see. So now it shows that everything, so it shows that everything is updated. When it shows this green tick, it shows that everything is okay, it was successful. So now we're going to publish this. So now we have confirmed that it works. So now we're going to publish it. So it's going to say this, going to do this. For confirmation of your mail, you have to go back to, let's say, the link. You have to like, okay, fill in the form. So I'm just going to say this because this is the form. Then you're going to put your email address, you click it, say, you just put things there. You can put this, then this, then you submit it. So you have to your Gmail, go to your Gmail, you check for it. Now you can see automatically the people that fill the form, this is the message they'll get back. Please ignore this. So this is the message they get back. So hello, the person's name, because I was in a hurry, I didn't fill my name properly. So thank you very much for your feedback. Then they're meant to put something like sincerely. So this is how you can easily send messages when somebody fills out your form, instead of you going to start looking for the person's email one by one and start sending message. So it makes life easier and better. So this is just a short presentation on how Zapier is. So you can go back to your home and you would come to your Zap and you see that it's currently on. The status is on. Well, once you put it off, when they fill the form, nothing is going to happen. So like, this is how Zapier makes life easier and better.